Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker on a Linux system using just the terminal. This is a beginner-friendly step-by-step guide, so let's get started. First, let's update the package list by running sudo apt-get update. This makes sure your system is ready to install the latest version of Docker. Next, install Docker with this command, sudo apt-get install ydocker.io. Now, this step might take a couple of minutes, depending on your internet speed and system performance. While we wait, let me quickly explain what Docker is, in simple terms. Think of your computer like a big apartment building. Normally, when you want to run a program, you install it directly on your system, just like moving into a room and decorating it however you want. But what if you had a way to create fully furnished, self-contained rooms that are ready to use, without messing up the rest of the building? That's what Docker does. With Docker, each application runs inside its own container, like a small room with everything it needs already inside, its furniture, appliances, and setup. This means different applications can run on the same machine, without interfering with each other, and they're super easy to move, share, or back up. Think of Docker like packing a suitcase, not just with your clothes, but also your toothbrush, charger, even your favorite snacks. Everything you need, in one place. That's what Docker does for your apps. In the real world, developers use Docker to run websites, databases, machine learning models, and even entire testing environments, without worrying about what system they're on. For example, you can run MySQL or PostgreSQL in a Docker container to test your web app, without actually installing the database on your host machine. Many companies also use Docker with cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure to deploy scalable applications quickly and consistently. In short, Docker lets you focus on building, not on setup and configuration headaches. If you're just getting started, try exploring simple Docker images like Jinx, Node, or Python. It's a fun way to learn by doing. Now that Docker is installed, let's start the service and enable it to run automatically on startup, sudo systemctl start Docker. Sudo systemctl enable Docker. This makes sure Docker is up and running every time you turn on your computer. Time to test Docker by running a simple Hello World container. So I typed, Docker run Hello World. And then I got an error, permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon socket. Turns out, I forgot something important: you need special permission to use Docker unless you're root. So I quickly fixed it by just adding sudo in front of the command, sudo docker run hello world. And just like that, it worked perfectly. Docker pulled the hello world image and printed the success message. But if you want to run Docker without using sudo every time, there's an easy fix. You can add your current user to the Docker group. And that's it, Docker is now fully set up on your Linux machine. You're ready to start building and running containers with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like more beginner-friendly Docker tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.